All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about plans and pricing for Creative Cloud apps for schools and universities. Okay, so Creative Cloud for Education is affordable licensing option for small work groups, departments, classrooms, labs, and even entire institutions. Get the latest Creative Cloud apps, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and Acrobat, and manage licensed deployments and updates from one central console. Adobe Substance 3D apps may be included with your education plans. Okay, so you can see what's included. But per name user license for small work groups and departments, Creative Cloud all apps, $35 per user. For single apps, it's $15, and you get 100 gigs of cloud storage per license. Okay, you get advanced 24/7 tech support plus one-to-one access to product experts. Requires institutional affiliation. Okay, per shared device for classrooms and labs, Creative Cloud all apps, $333 a year per device. Call this number here to order shared device plans. Okay, per student pack for departments of 100 students or more, Creative Cloud all apps, $142 a year per user, includes 100 gigs of cloud storage per license. Institutional control license can be reassigned to new students or courses. Okay, institution-wide license for broad access for students and faculty. Creative Cloud all apps for pricing, you have to call that number there. Includes 100 gigs of cloud storage per license for easy file sharing, deeper discounts on all purchases, plus consolidated annual billing. Okay, so that's really the options for Creative Cloud for Education. So if you are a school or a university, you need to have an institutional affiliation, and then you can get access to these different options. So it really depends on your situation. The best deal from what I can see, and it depends again on your situation, but if you have a small work group, then $35 a month is a great deal. I mean, that's very good. The per shared device, that's $330 a year. That's not a bad deal either. Per student pack for departments of 100 students or more, you're looking at $142 per user. So you're getting a great discount with that because you have over 100 students. So the price is going to be pretty steep, but it's going to be worth it, I think, in the long run, because if you're a university or a school, that's part of your tuition. That's where you're charging for that. So that's really what it is, but you need to contact Adobe for most of the plans just to get started. So that's schools and universities, plans and pricing for Creative Cloud. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.